And when I'm fitting showers and bathrooms, I've been using this Abacus Elements Board for a number of years. And the reason I like using it is because it's a completely waterproof board. It's got a waterproof face, it's got a waterproof insulated core, and it's also the ideal surface for tiling onto. Now, when I started using it, it was only available in this 600 by 1200 sheet. But since I've been using it, they've added more to the range. So you can now get a 600 wide sheet by 2.4 meters high. And that obviously suits those taller in shower enclosures. But they've gone one further. You can also get a 900 by 2.4 sheet. So it means that you've got fewer seams to tape. And they've also now added a full size, what we would call an 8 by 4 sheet or 2.4 by 1.2 wide, which is ideal for those really large bathrooms, large shower enclosures where you want very few joins. So the choice is yours, but the thing that remains constant is it's still the same board. It's got all those qualities, making it easy to handle, easy to carry, and easy to fix. So it's exactly the same procedure when we fix the board. We're still using our 600mm centres, but because we've got fewer joints, we've got less taping to do. So it makes the job a lot quicker and a lot easier.